Yeah, hello, welcome to the Tikaway booth. So I'm Marwan Moutia, I'm the User Success Manager to Tikaway, and I'm here for present you my product. So this is a smart camera glasses, so there is just one camera just right here with only two buttons, very easy to use. And for go ahead, so we have two main functionality, one for recording on the glasses and the other for doing video conferencing. So the main case is for the maintenance assistant, the other is for assist your clients. When you build machine, you can assist the clients with our solution. So how does it work? It's really simple. You have just to connect your glasses on our application, and then you are in live session on a Tikaway application. So I just give you a mic, you connect the camera, put the Wi-Fi, create an URL directly, what you can say just like that. Oh, you share the URL just by WhatsApp, mail, whatever, and then you can enter in conference with your expert, and your expert can assist you more easily.
What kind of companies are you using this for?
Today we have some big companies like Airbus, SNCF, L'Oréal, NG, Suez, company who get some people on the field, or some company who get some knowledge to transfer by the manual.
That's great.
That's great.
Thank you.
Thank you.